How to view your Vrbo reservation receipts. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Vrbo on your device. Here, click on My Trips at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on My Trips at the top right corner of your screen, it will lead you to this page. Here, you'll find your reservation. Select the correct reservation, then open the payments section. In here, view the reservation receipts in the payments and check for the service fee invoice download option. Download the service fee invoice, and after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to view your Vrbo reservation receipt. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.